pleasure. It is our pleasure to have you at this very important press conference. As members of the APC family, we are ever ready to address issues that will strengthen our party and position it for national development. It has become an embarrassment that some leaders of APC engages in anti-party activities, openly castigating a committed party flag bearer who has given her all to ensure the victory of our party in the last general elections. The most recent is the sponsored campaign of calumny against Honorable Nkurika Nyeojocha, who fly the party flag in Uswa Kwato Omuniuchi Federal Constituency of Abia State in the February 25th, 2023 general election and House of Assembly elections. She is presently the Honorable Minister of Labor and Employment, State, Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is no longer news that Honorable Nkurika, who is our party flag bearer, was robbed of her victory by LabourParty in Abia State, where they deployed unethical means during the presidential and National Assembly elections against our party, the APC. Recall that some APC groups raised the alarm calling for restoration of her mandate, which she vigorously pursued at the tribunal, and by the grace of God, she won. Since her victory at the tribunal, which is the ultimate triumph of the APC in Abia State, some highly placed persons in the National Assembly have unleashed a campaign of calumny against her person using mushroom organizations to blackmail Honorable Nkurika Nyeojocha and the APC in a bid to bully her to abandon her victory at the appeal court. We make bold to say that we have identified our own Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Mr. Benjamin Kalu, who sees the victory of Honorable Minister as a political threat instead of blessing, as the sponsor, as he sponsor blackmail against Honorable Nkurika Nyeojocha. Honorable Benjamin Kalu has become so desperate that he has resorted to using the name and office of the president, our amiable president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to blackmail the honorable minister who is currently focused on her national assignment as the honorable minister of the Federal Republic. Kalu has done everything possible to set even the honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives, Tajuddin Abbas, and other highly placed members of the party against her. Every time he fails in his bids to raise dust where there is none, he deploys new evil mechanization to bring Nkurika down. We are worried that why should the victory of the APC and Honorable Nyeojocha in Abia State becomes a nightmare for Benjamin Kalu, who is there sometimes more to it that he is not telling the APC in or his political associates. We know how some highly placed persons who are major beneficiaries of the APC work against the party in the last presidential elections in the guise of religion and tribal sentiment, thereby reducing the winning vote of our great party, the APC in the Southeast. If such campaign being sponsored by Mr. Benjamin Kalu, who is currently enjoying the success of our great party as Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, is not stopped. It will grow to affect the success of our party in the 2027 general elections. We recommend a disciplinary action against the Deputy Speaker, Mr. Benjamin Kalu, and his accomplices to serve as a deterrent to others who may wish to indulge in such dangerous anti-party activities in the nearest future. We call on the national chairman of our great party, His Excellency, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, CON, who is reconciling and repositioning the party for a better tomorrow, to immediately call Mr. Benjamin Kalu to order before he destroy the party completely in Abia State. Kalu is not from Isuakwatu or Moniuchi Federal Constituency, neither is he a member of the Labour Party. One wonder what his problems with the victory of Nkurika and the APC. This has proven that some members of the party actually engaged in anti-party activities to subdue the APC from being declared winner of the House of Representatives elections in Abia State. We equally call on Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to call the Deputy Speaker to order as the APC remain one united family under His Excellency, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, a united force that will lead us to victory by the grace of God in 2027. And if this campaign of calming continues, we shall have no option than to occupy the National Assembly to demand the resignation of the Deputy Speaker, an action that will last until we achieve our demand. The APC belongs to all of us, and we shall continue to maintain its supremacy by the grace of God. Thank you all. God bless you.